Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the display language on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize the language settings to suit your preferences. To begin, click on the More icon and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will open up the Settings menu where you can make adjustments to your account settings. Next, navigate to the Accessibility, Display, and Languages tab within the Settings menu. Click on it to access the Language Settings section. Under the Languages section, click on Languages to proceed to the Display Language settings. Now, under Display Language, click and choose your preferred language from the options available. You may be prompted to enter your password for security verification purposes. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Once you have selected your preferred display language, click Save to apply the changes to your Twitter account. By following these steps, you can easily customize the display language on Twitter to enhance your browsing experience and engage with content in your preferred language. Take control of your display language settings on Twitter by adjusting the language to match your preferences. Customize your display language today to enjoy a more personalized and user-friendly experience on Twitter.